Hey guys, this is Josephine.
Hello.
We're gonna go to Zon's Bakery now. We're meeting up with Chris and Jean.
Jean.
Yay! I'm so excited because right now we just finished our exams like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was super happy. Super! Yay! My take is that I like Stupid Song. I have a ranking already.
Okay,
Yeah.
really?
So my first one is Stupid Song. And then second one is Maggots for Brains.
I like that.
Yeah, I love that song. Third one is Honeybee. Fourth one is The Cure. Actually, honestly, The Cure, right? The first time I heard it, I didn't like it.
Yeah, I don't really like it.
Yeah, like the first like 10 times I heard the song, I didn't like it. But like the more I listened, like the more it grew on me.
I don't know, I feel like if the song takes 10 times to go on you, it's a bit...
After The Cure is this one, Drop Dead.
Really? I like Drop Dead. It's
Really?
It's very girly pops.
Oh yeah, it is.
Like-
I feel like Purple is the type where you put on your headphones, it sounds damn nice. It's the beat that sounds nice. And then You Plus Me equals Heart.
I like that one.
I like that one. It's so
Why
like...
is it so low on your list?
Actually, I feel like it should be higher
Yeah,
because
it's so
like I really like it now. Yeah, maybe it can replace Drop Dead. I feel like.
No!
Next one I like Less. It's so sad.
I don't remember that one. She break up.
Yeah, she broke up
With that guy?
with Louis Partridge. So like Drop Dead is the start with which is like the love part, and then The Cure is where the sadness starts. What's Wrong With Me with Robert Smith. Expectations. Okay, the rest are Cigarette Smoke, Back, and then My Way. My Way is the one that's like really funky and
I
like
have heard Bagged.
back. Yeah. And low-key, it gives me Sabrina Carpenter vibes. That back song.
I feel like Olivia and Sabrina are like, they're so like parallel. Like they have completely opposite vibes. Like Olivia
Yeah.
is such a good girl. You know,
Yeah.
She's such a good girl vibe.
Yeah, she
And
is.
Sabrina.
Serena is just so horny.
Yeah.
I feel like she branded herself that way, like her rebrand.
Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog, Chris.
That's so cute.
Oh, this is my actual fit.
That's her MBSA intern.
And this is also the MBSA bag as well.
MBSA ambassador. Let's
Yeah.
go.
I'm gonna get badges and put it on it.
Oh, nice.
And it has a hoodie.
Yay.
It's actually pretty warm.
That looks like good quality.
Yeah, there's a lot of pockets. There's a phone pocket.
Yeah.
Pockets here. There's pockets here.
Here and then
And even here. So it's
Oh
very
my
subtle.
God.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
wear this on Beckham to advertise the clothing store. Boy. And then the pistachio. Pistachio. Okay.
Okay. Then for this one,
The green garlic cream cheese and sesame prawn taco.
Oh,
Beef rendang.
I have
she wants yeah.
beef rendang.
Yeah,
Beef rendang. Okay. We have the beef rendang, the roti boy mochi, and the pistachio. And what is this? Some prawns.
Sesame prawn taco toast. Sesame prawn taco toast. Taste test.
Taste test.
Peanut latte is really good.
Pajicha peanut latte.
I can smell the peanut from here.
Yeah, it's very creamy and nutty. Yum. That's so good. Can you taste the peanut? The peanut foam. It's like a really nice peanut. It's so good. Or maybe we take a deep drink.
So pretty. It's a guava foam.
I'm scared for you. Maybe use Judy's bottle if you want to do that. Because I think her bottle has the... Wait.
Helping us take a photo.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, wait. This one is
Okay, sweet first. Sweet
It's
first.
so cute.
The sweet first. Because if we eat this, then we try to eat this.
Okay. This is Roti Boys Crunch. The crunchy crunch. Good. There's roti inside. Oh.
Yeah, I need to have one more bite so I can finish it.
Yeah. It's like the chips are wasted.
Is pistachio good?
I just like
Yeah.
It's nice and crunchy. I actually like pistachio more than that.
Oh, is there cream inside?
they make like pastries. I pressed too hard. This is so good.
Guys, we just finished our brunch
Yarms
and
drinks.
yeah, we have our matchas here. Yeah, we got the same
Yeah, the
drink.
same thing.
Yeah, it's
Why
actually
is that
so
not hard?
nice. Yeah. Oh, I got a smiley face.
Oh, you like put the straw in there.
Yeah. And now we're gonna go to Riverton Big W, right? Okay, so basically for like context, today our mission is to pack MBSA orders. I always see those videos where like they pack the small business.
Like 500 orders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
We
my
can
God.
do that later.
Yes. Today we're gonna do pack a 200 MBSA merch order with me, guys. I'll try to do like cursive writing of their name and stuff with my Sharpie. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. Today's a good day.
The weather's so nice.
Yeah. It's not like overly cold or something. Or windy.
It's like sunny, but
Yes.
I love this.
Yes.
I love this. And that I don't have the stress of exams
Yes.
anymore.
Yeah.
It's so freeing.
Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna do like some grocery shopping. I need yogurt.
Wait, what?
I need yogurts.
Okay. Yeah, then you can put it in. Where's the
It's like swinging around. Yeah. We're at a reject shop.
Yeah. We are the rejects.
We are the rejected items. We couldn't find the gift things and the strings, so I'm just gonna get myself a monkey. A little monkey. So cute.
This is your cardigan.
Yeah, and it's only $7. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
It's like the reward for gas station.
Yes, new plushie. Yes, yes, me.
Thank you.
Here, I got the monkey. Look at the cute feet.
Yes. Yeah. And
I'm at Big W and I found this like really cute Winnie the Pooh book. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my god. Pages for happiness. Guys, look at this wicked Barbie doll. Oh my god. Alphaba. For good. She can sing for good. Oh, she can sing. And then they have like Care Bears. This one's kind of cute. Wait, guys.
buy any tree Kleenex.
Kleenex.
I get
Buy
one, you
any
get
tree-
one.
and get a free toy puppy.
It's
Oh
so
my
cute.
God, yeah. Oh, it's beans. No, that's so cute. It's so cute.
That was there last year.
I didn't know that. It's so cute. Oh my.
Oh, my butt.
This is our pilot. And you
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I think you know.
That's a bit random, but yay, we're gonna go on a walk. We're gonna walk the doggies. Dog walk. Look at them. Say hi. Hello. I love this fluffy.
Right. 我觉得很 cute 哎。
Yeah. It's giving like I'm a princess. Yeah.
Bow. Bow to the princess. Oh, she's scared.
Come here, Sparrow. Come here. Good girl. Yeah. Cute.
Oh my. Just because I haven't
Dinner?
had one with it yet. So.
Dinner. Aww.
Quite good.
Breakfast. Your fan club. Yogurt.
Oh no,
You don't like it? Here, Momo has joined the party. He entered the chat. Hello. Do you want me to decorate you too with some daisies?
Yeah, but they're like
Gang.
Yeah.
There's
We're
the south,
the Hunter fan club.
So like if he like if
Where's
he's far
Bessie?
away,
Yeah.
it's
There.
kind of like a page of like
Hello, please come back.
Momo.
the vibrate.
Dumpling, you know. She just finished on she.
Oh.
You dog this egg?
Yeah.
Oh. And on what is it? About 5 weeks ago, I had to wait until she go to the
Hello, baby.
next. Yeah, she's a puppy.
Puppy. Guys, this is the merch situation. Jean and Chris already organized everything into piles. And then we have more here. We printed out the entire order list. And I think there are like 200 orders, right? And then we bought a bunch of like strings and cardboards. We're gonna make our own like tags. And I'm gonna start cutting this up. And then after that, they're gonna compile the orders. And I'm gonna be packing. Wow, so cute. Okay, I'm thinking how big we should make the gift pack.
I'm so excited. And you can do love heart or you can
Yeah.
do star.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, I've got this. Yes.
I'm so excited. Look at the color. It's very big.
Lime green. Just show it closer. Snack time.
Okay. Yeah. This is why it's so strong. And
Oh, it just broke.
I'm impressed. Wait. I'll let you fix this one.
Okay. Like, so if I like carrot that feet, I just so like I can like this carrot up.
Okay. We'll put the orders in here and we'll tie it in the
What we're basically doing is we've cut out like all of these cardboards into like little rectangles, and then we cut off like
Sorry, we're just gonna
triangles,
like on each one.
and then we
That's a lot to do.
use
We're gonna fly off.
some
Okay.
brush pens to like do calligraphy on it. And yeah, we'll punch a hole here, and then we'll like tie it to the order. Yay! Cute. And then Jean's doing some too. Who else? I will open up the list. We have the list up on my iPad. And we're just gonna do as we go down the list. Show you something cute. I wrote a little message on the back, and then it says, "Thank you for shopping with MBSA. Hope you like the merch." And then it's just like little hearts. So cute. Guys, it's currently 10:21. 10:21. We're still going. This is. I've switched to packing orders because I was making tags the whole time. And then now Jean has went to rest, so I'm gonna be taking over. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I do this order. The angle's kind of weird, but yeah. So we have a hat, a bucket hat, and a sweatshirt. And then what I'm gonna do is make a cross at the bottom, another cross at the top. Okay, like this. And then I'm gonna put label. Oh, okay. Just tie their name at the front. What I'm gonna do now is pack Keith Wong's order. Got a big ass rain jacket. And then I'm gonna fold it like this, half, and then put the sleeves in front, and then fold it in 3, and then undo this and put it inside the hood, buckle it inside the hood, so it's like one thing. Yay! Okay. What are these called, Chris? These juvenile looking.
Rugby jumpers.
Okay, rugby jumpers. He got one in dark green. He's gonna look like a kid when he wears this.
I feel like I've really seen him.
And
It used to be shipped.
a black one. Yours. Welcome to another day, another vlog. 祝你该年年 Show them your
I
makeup.
look so kinky.
今天被 bless 了，跟2个美女出来吃饭 ，Yeah! Yeah, we're in Northbridge.
Scared me, yeah. You know, then we go lah.
Oh my god, these are so cute.
Copy.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Wow! What's up, guys? Hello, butter chicken. Hello. Yeah! It's so cold.
I know. Why are you not
Ah.
wearing pants, Julie?
Why am I not wearing pants? Both of you guys.
Hi.
I can't see your face.
There we
And
go.
this is butter chicken, aka BC, and then we have Joe.
driving again.
Yeah,
Driving. Okay.
it's just for fun. You might see yourself on YouTube though. Just saying.
YouTube.
Yeah.
I feel like that looks good. Yeah, if you want. Let me try it.
Yeah.
You guys like my boyfriends.
Yeah. A boyfriend 1, boyfriend 2, boyfriend 3.
Pablo.
I'm getting matcha raspberry.
Oh, you're getting that? Like
What do you get?
I got the chakamasu.
Ooh. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Why are you covering your face?
Oh yeah, I always think no, the
Why are you doing that?
choice.
Yeah. You guys can go first.
You guys ever use that one?
That's why I feel like we haven't seen flash before.
The sticker.
The dirtiest.
Yeah. No, I
Panorama.
I got hazelnut. Wow. I got matcha raspberry almond. I got pavlova.
Pistachio.
Lavender honeycomb.
Tiramisu.
Mint chocolate.
That was most unenthusiastic. I think someone may have, like, they thought someone ordered to put in their name.
We got an extra, but they were making it extra.
This place, can we come back? Guys, we need to do more, like, little, like, dinners or, like,
Yeah. Yeah, we say that every single time. And then like,
okay, I'm gonna say it. I'm not the one that is not doing it.
I prefer the ice cream.
I'm the one in.
Sour cream is not sweet.
Okay,
Don't go for pasta, I go for
It's very hard.
okay. If I initiate it, everyone has to come. You're not allowed to not come.
3 at my house.
Yeah,
Or you dead.
my legs are open. Every month we have to do something,
yeah.
Oh, okay, like once a month. I think like every 2-3 weeks. I'm like, that's a bit too much.
and we need to plan very far in advance, so you can like block out the calendar.
I don't mind, and then only if it's like a tactic.
Then one time, I was like talking to someone. It's so good.
Yeah. I finished my ice cream and I was like, oh, I'm done. And I was like, no, I'm not.
So what about the other box? You taking the other box?
You know what's always good?
You chicken.
And these are also new.